Okay, I got, so if you were to shut this off, everything will be reset to the factory specs. And my generator is basically a max of 25 amps, so if you push both these buttons together at the same time, you'll be able to set up the inverter, and these buttons will let you kind of set things up the way you want. So the low battery cutoff is at 44 volts, and so basically if this here drops to 44 volts, the system shuts down so that the batteries aren't discharged too low. If I hit it again, this is the battery charging system, so you can see I set the bulk charge DC at 56 volts. Absorption time is over 2 hours, so we'll charge for 2 hours before you go to float stage. When you see 2 green lights, that means the batteries are fully charged and at the float stage. And there's the the equalized volts DC. Equalized time is 2 hours. Again, we did that about, I don't know, 6 or 8 weeks ago. It was done last. So the max charge amps I have it set at 22. I have it set actually pretty high, but some people set it much lower than that. But my generator is maxed out at 25 amps. So if I had it set any higher, it would kick the breaker on my generator, or sometimes it'll kick this breaker on the side here. There's a white button you can push in. You see the arrow pointing to that. But when you reset this, it resets this to 30 amps, which would be way too much for my generator that I've set up. So you have to set this down, and if you do that, you know, I can do that by, let's see here, how am I doing this? Yeah, see, I set it down to 21, 20, 19, 18, and we'll just leave it at 20. If you keep going down again, I just a temp. I guess that's all the way to the end of this one. And there's more settings. You press them both together, go to the next setup, which is AC inputs, and this is how you get the generator auto setup going, which isn't relevant to me because I don't have an automatic choke. Hope this helps.